So, the peanut butter apple muesli cereal. It's not that great of a cereal. I mean, I thought that the peanut butter chips inside the cereal would add a little bit of sweetness, but it just didn't. I couldn't even feel the chips. Also, there's nothing really to add any taste, and the grains are very coarse. It's just not a good cereal. Like I could barely finish it. So I wouldn't recommend this. I guess this could work as a granola, but I'm not positive. I mean, it's marketed as a cereal, so I don't know how you do it with granola, but as a cereal, I wouldn't recommend it. It took me a very long time to eat this, so I apologize if this video is longer than other videos. But that's all I have to say. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and peace.